Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the car and removing obstacles. This saves time later. First, unlock the roof latches and support the hardtop with one assistant while you loosen visible bolts. Use a 10 mm socket and Torx where needed. Keep each fastener labeled so reassembly matches original positions. Once the bolts are breaking free, disconnect the rear defroster plug carefully to avoid bending pins, and place the hardtop onto a padded stand or blanket. Now lift the hardtop with 2 people, rear first, then ease the front down into the windshield channel while keeping seals aligned. You want even pressure across the rubber. Misalignment causes leaks and wind noise. Once seated, snug bolts by hand and then torque them gradually in a crisscross pattern to avoid bending the shell. Make sure latches engage smoothly. If they bind, adjust the latch sliders a little and recheck. This step balances fit with mechanical function, so take your time. Finish by reconnecting the defroster and any wiring, then clean seals with silicone protectant so they seat properly. You should inspect gaps. If one side is high or low, loosen bolts slightly and use a thin shim or shift the hardtop a few millimeters until even. Once bolts are torqued to spec, lubricate latches, and perform a road test at 30 to 60 kilometers per hour to check for wind noise or leaks. If you find a leak, tighten the adjacent bolts and reseat the seal. This usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.